I'm in love. I'm obsessed. And I don't even feel guilty about it.
Alright, hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So if you are new here, my name is T, and if you are a returning subscriber, that word always gets me, but if you are a returning subscriber, there we go. Welcome back to another video, guys. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the stuff I do in my maintenance week. So I actually do these videos a lot on TikTok, but I'm like, you know what, let me do like a more in-depth one on YouTube. So this week I'm gonna be doing nails, eyebrows, getting a facial, doing my hair, and getting a laser and going to my first laser appointment, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, just come along with me as I do my maintenance week. Let's just get this maintenance week started. I'm also on my period, so this is like a really well-needed boost that I need.
Girl want me and her uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it. Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as her life is squinting, can't just stare. We're babe through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown or black, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprint. 100 eaters, they won't fit in one SUV. SOS, somebody rescue me, I got too many.
Wow, the lighting sucks today. Honestly, guys, it's so gloomy outside. So I'm at my first stop for this week. I'm at Michaela's Skin and Spa. So if you guys don't know, I actually have hormonal acne. So I was diagnosed like earlier this year, and it's really just been taking like a big toll and stuff on just like how I feel, wanting to film and stuff. Like I feel like obviously everybody takes pride in their skin, but like I really like when my skin is not right, like I just don't want to do anything. So Michaela has really been helping me keep my skin together. My goal right now is being consistent, and she literally does like a full nice package process. She double cleanses, extractions, zaps them so they don't come back, like a whole bunch of stuff. On my TikTok, I actually have a full detailed one when I went to go get my first chemical peel. And you can see the difference, like literally from when I walked in to when I walked out. So I'm gonna video my skin again so you guys can try. So as you guys can see, my forehead is literally like just bad. But I just want to show you guys how it looks before, and then I'm gonna show you guys how my skin looks after. She's literally the best, like very affordable as well, and like she's just the best. Like I really don't want anyone else to ever touch my skin, because like she's just that girl, you know.
Alright, Justin, turn me up a little bit.
Today is the next day, it's Friday, and I literally just realized that I didn't show you guys how my skin looked after my facial. So I did it yesterday, and as you guys can see, I don't know if you remember in the video where I showed my skin, like my whole forehead was inflamed, like so much breakouts. So she just extracted those, did the usual facial, everything that she usually does for me. My skin is actually going through a purging process right now because I'm taking tretinoin. I think that's how you say it, but it basically makes your skin purges. So literally what you guys seen how my forehead look, I had that all over my cheeks, literally like almost on every part of my face. So apparently they say if you're purging like that, that means it's working. So I'm literally pushing myself to pass through the purging process, because I know clear skin's on the other side, but it is so humbling. Like literally, like I just don't want to do anything or go anywhere whenever my face looks like that. But yeah, I'm happy as you guys can see, my skin is like glowing. She always deals with me nice. Like I always leave so happy. And the whenever I get my facials, my face looks the best like 2 to 3 days after. And now I'm just about to get ready to go do my eyebrows. I used to get my brows threaded, but then after I started to get my brows waxed and tinted and laminated and everything. But because I'm on tretinoin, like the dermatologist said I can't wax my brows anymore, or at least like not until my skin has been used to it for a while. So now I'm going back to the threading, which I don't mind because the lady threads me so good. Like she just gets every little, you know, messy hair that's out of place. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready to go do that. And yeah.
Stop, wait a minute. The way you move that body, you done got my heart all in it. And I just wanna be with you tonight. Boy, please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true.
Alright, you guys, so I just finished my eyebrows, and you guys can see it. You guys can see how doing my brows just literally changed my whole face. And it's so funny because my brows, they're naturally like, they're pretty not thick but full. Like I usually have hairs everywhere, so when they grow out, I'm usually like, okay, like they don't look too bad. Like I can usually, you know, I can usually get away with just putting a little bit of pencil and whatnot, and I'm like, okay. But then I go get them done and I'm like, yo Teresa, what the actual hell were you doing? Like just look how nice and clean they look. And they really just like she just cleaned up everything. Like that's the one thing about threading, like it really gets every single hair. Like I can't wait to go do my hair. I can't wait to go do everything. It is hot. No, why did I think I can not start the car? Boy, it's hot. I'm gonna go and do my nails. Let me show you. Yeah, so honestly, I'm very proud of myself. Usually I break at least 2 nails or chip them or something, but I really kept this set for a long time. But I do UV gel overlay on my nails. I don't know, the camera cut off, but as I was saying, I usually do overlay on my nails, and I've been doing it for a couple years now, and I really like it. I actually don't know what I want to do. My toes right now are pink, and I'm not doing my toes yet because I had done my toes after I did my nail. It doesn't matter, I'm not doing my toes yet, but my toes are pink, so I don't know. I don't want to do French tip because I have a French tip on right now. I seen this, it's kind of like chrome. It looks like a nude chrome, so I'm like, okay, that can be cute because I kind of just want something simple and something nude. Honestly, basically the inspo is just basically keeping it simple. Like that's the inspo for my nails.
It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright.
Alright guys, so today is Monday, June 19th. So as you guys seen yesterday, I did my nails, so they came out literally exactly how I wanted them to. I don't know, it's not focusing, but you guys seen, I just really wanted something clean and simple, not something too much. But today I'm actually gonna go do my hair. So like my hair is literally in it's busted up cornrows from my sew-in, so I have to take out my hair, wash it, deep condition it. But I actually texturized my hair last month, so now when I wash my hair and stuff, like I can blow dry it and everything literally in like an hour and a half and stuff. So that's why I'm like not stressing. And plus my appointments are at 3:30 anyways, and it's like 10 o'clock now, so I still have some time. So I actually wanted to take you guys with me to go get like my first laser appointment, but the girl doesn't have a date this week available, so I have to wait. Doing beauty stuff always just makes me so tired. Like literally at the end of the maintenance weeks, like I look beautiful, but I'm exhausted. But yeah, that's enough talking.
Booty bounce, ladies, booty bounce, ladies, booty bounce, ladies, booty bounce, like this, booty bounce like this.
Guys, oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm screaming, but I'm happy. Remember how I was like, oh, I wanted to do laser, but the girl didn't have availability for this week, so she actually messaged me and said that she had availability for tomorrow.
You dreaming about me? Ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment you just...
So we are gonna go do my laser appointment. Oh, let me show you guys a better look at my hair. Honestly, I think these are the cleanest stitch braids I've ever gotten. Like, they're just so nice and clean. But yeah, I'm really excited to go get laser. Like, never had laser before. I usually just wax. Like, I literally don't even shave. So I had to shave before my appointment. And guys, when I tell you, like, I was shaving for like, because again, I'm not used to shaving, and she's like, okay, you know, make sure you shave. So I had to make sure I shaved well. I'm like, bro, and like, some people choose to shave themselves often by choice. Like, that's just torture. But anyways, it's this place that I had asked like my Instagram story, like, you know, for people to recommend laser, because I wanted someone who was obviously comfortable and was familiar with dark skin. So I got a lot of recommendations, but the one that came up the most and like had such good, like, people actually replied and said, no, she's so good, was V something whatever. I'll put the Instagram, but that's where I'm going right now. It's not too far. It's just, you know, Toronto traffic right now, so it's gonna take me almost half an hour. If it wasn't for the traffic, it'd probably be like a 15-minute drive. But yeah, so that's where we're going. And then that's the last thing for this week. I already feel so refreshed and renewed. Like, I even did a little natural face beat. But yeah, it was such a long week. Like, I'm so happy that this is the last thing I have to do, and then I could just relax. Like, forgot to finish this video. Literally, that's how tired I was. Like, I came back from laser and I'm literally ready to just go in my bed and go to sleep. But guys, when I tell you guys, that experience was like a 10 out of 10. So I don't know, my camera was being funny, so that's why some of the clips are on my phone. But guys, like, first off, the machine she uses, it has like a cooling feature on it, and it has a cooling feature on it, like literally on the surface, so it feels like ice. So basically, she was explaining it to me. The difference between her machine and the machine other people use is that their machine is like, it has heat, but attached to it is like a fan that cools you. But this one, it has like, it literally feels like ice on your skin, so that it kind of combats or offsets the heat that you feel from the laser. But like, we were literally talking and laughing the whole time, as you guys seen. Like, I didn't even feel like I was getting anything done. Like, literally threading my eyebrows and so much stuff is so much more painful than that. It was literally pain-free. And the good thing about her machine, she said it has 6 different feature settings, so it can do 6 different skin tones. Or in Toronto or anything, I highly recommend going to her. Yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.